Oh, hi guys, welcome back. We're somewhere random. I know you're looking at my crotch, but just wait for 1 second. 1 second, 1 second, 1 second, and now. Oh, hi. Oh, hi. You're not the wife?
That's not the wife.
That's not the wife?
I did the wife for my little brother.
That's okay too. What's up, people? I gotta pee. Oh, sassy. Hey, sorry guys, it's super windy, but a Tesla driver did a typical thing. They left the door open and just walked away from it. Hi, Leah. Why do you look like that? Did you poop? Did you poop? Yes, you did. Yes, you did. You gonna show me what's under your hood, baby? Hey guys, I'm gonna apologize now if it's windy, but we get to see what's under this beauty. Ooh, wait, whoa. Why did it open by itself? Subarus don't do that. What the heck? Dude, that's cool.
It's a little dirty, but...
No, that's good. I like how the front mount. Very nice. Teach me, master. What are we doing?
So, since he's gonna get a bigger snail, maybe
snail?
eventually,
Yeah.
make sure you go with an STI front mount intercooler.
Okay.
Because that way it just goes down and you can put whatever snail you want to put in there.
Because we're in Mexico.
Exactly.
Exactly. All right, I'm writing notes down. Front mount. I want these headlights. I want these. I don't like my headlights right now. These are nice. Wow. Yeah, I approve.
Do you have headlights?
I don't remember. All right. Okay, guys. I really apologize one more time about the freeway noise and everything. Okay, so he's gonna start it up. Car sounds very, very, very good. All right, he's gonna air up for me. You gonna get air out? Oh yeah, no. That's loud-ish. Let me show you loud. Let me show you loud. Dude, thank you. Oh yeah, the Hershey's. That's the one right there. Thanks, dude. Aw. Water, how'd you know? I need to get Claritin now. Man, such cool guys. I can't believe they brought us stuff too. Hey baby, can you say thank you, Ricardo? Can you say Ricardo? Can you say thank you? He brought us chocolate. Do you want to eat it? Yes. Can you show me the chocolate? Show it to me. Is that your favorite? That's your favorite? You want some now? Okay. All right, guys. Time to unplug. Let's get to Sacramento. Oh, shit. Look at this. Bam. Supras. Oh, dude.
What's up?
We're so sick in the GTR. Look at Leah. It's a cricket. That's the first time seeing a cricket. Aaliyah, hi. Uncle Big Wang. Aaliyah, hi. Aaliyah literally asked to go see the cars. You want to see the cars? Okay, come on. Let's walk around and see the cars. Let's go. Can you show me? Which one's your favorite car?
Which one's your favorite, Elliot? Why am I?
Which one's your favorite car? Show me. Which one? You like it? You like it? Why are you laughing? Hey, he started up his car and she laughed. Look, Aaliyah. Do you like that one? Baby, look. That one. Do you like that one? I like that one. Yeah? Ooh, very fast car. Ooh. Ah. Shiny. Do you like it? Yeah? Damn. It's feeling pretty inside. Okay, Aaliyah. Are you gonna eat your noodles? Here's mine. Yum. Thousand horsepower, right? 1,000? Yeah. 1,000 horsepower. Whoa. One. Cut that out. 2. All right, we're aiming for number 3.
4.
Here. There we go. Oh! All right, guys, fourth time is a charm. There we go. The thing is super fast, 1,000 horsepower. Raised shift sector just recently. Idle's nice, smells good too. It smells like corn. Oof, so pretty. Damn, it looks fast. Insane. Damn. Supra. Dude, by the way, the low light on this camera is so good. Let's see this baby. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I like it. I like it. Look at this. Nice wheels. Ooh. Bye, baby. I'm gonna go ride in the Supra. Bye-bye, love you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh man, I get to go in the Supra. No, I don't want to drive it. I do not want to drive it. No, I don't want to drive it. No. It's so funny. So this is a fun fact for you guys. I don't like driving people's cars. I don't. but I want to get in though. I always have this. Let me in. I always have this thing about not wanting to drive people's cars. Sassy.
It's from your thing.
Oh, dude, guys, the interior on this thing is so clean. Look at this. Wow.
108,000 miles.
It's a baby. Oh my god. Dang, this thing pulls, dude. All right, let's see if we can find some hookers. Oh, can't see it. There was one right there. There's one right there. So the joke here is you always see prostitutes in this area. This is pretty much like 2-3 blocks away from where I grew up right here. Oh, that guy looked over. Oh, he keeps looking over. Motorcycles. So I made Davis and Weiwei this for their house to represent them.